Hello all, my name is Hitesh Tamani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm back with another interesting video, and in this particular video you will be able to learn about an important concept of aggregate functions in Excel. As we all know, we have various type of aggregate functions in Excel such as sum, average, min, max, right? So let's say if you wanted to compute a sum of a specific data set, right? So over here, basically, if you can see, we have a data set of an e-commerce industry. And in this particular data set, we have product level sales and inventory available in this particular data set, right? So let's say if you wanted to compute like a day level sales at a product level, so for sure, you will be going to use some function, which is a inbuilt function in Excel. So let's say if you are using this sum and using sum, we will be able to compute the sum of sales uh, for the entire day for the entire org, right? So we will be able to, let's say we are able to generate sum of sales. And let's say if I will copy this and paste it over here, I will be able to generate sum of inventory as well, right? Now there is another function in Excel which is known as subtotal, right? So now what is the difference between sum and subtotal? So let's say when I'm using subtotal over here, so yeah, this is the beauty of this particular function. So in a single function, you will be able to get multiple aggregate functions, right? So let's say you wanted to do average, you can use one over here. Let's say if you wanted to do max, you can use four over here. Let's say if you wanted to do sum, so you can use nine over here. So at first place, you have to provide the function number which you would like to perform, right? So let's say I am performing sum over here. So I will use 9, right? And then you have to select the lookup array, right? So basically over here, it's like the entire column we have to select. And we are getting basically the exact same result which we got using sum, right? Now you guys might be thinking like basically what is the difference between these two, right? So now let me just quickly apply a filter over here, and then I will be able to tell you like what will be the difference between these two, right? So let's say I've applied filter over here. Now, let's say my requirement is basically I have to select, like I wanted to compute directly from this particular data set. I wanted to compute sum of sales only for boys, right? So let's say I am selecting boys over here as and when I'm clicking on OK, so basically it is providing me sum of sales. It should provide me sum of sales for boys category, right? But if you can see the sum function which we have used, it's still like basically the same, right? But in subtotal, we are getting a different number, right? So that's what basically it is. So like what sum does is sum at first place, basically sum is a static function, right? So this particular sum function is providing you the sum, still it's providing you the sum of entire data set, right? While subtotal is a dynamic function, right? It functions in a dynamic way. So the filter which you have applied on boys, it's basically calculating the sum of that particular snapshot of the data, right? So over here, basically, you will be getting some of the specific subset, right? But as sum is like static function, it is providing you the sum of the entire data set, right? So yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you got the distinction between the two functions. So cool. I hope you like this particular video. See you all in the next video. Thank you, one and all. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.